1, 2, 3, stop, look to your left, right, up, down, go. Oh shit! Shit look nice. I fuck with the plate too.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
It's nice too.
I just took my wrap off.
Oh, what color was it?
It was Austin yellow. Arrest me, officer. Officer, arrest me, please.
You could use that against him.
Suck ya mama! Both ya fuck you honking at. What up YouTube? Today we are in the Big Apple. Little POV drive. I'm low-key liking these POV drives, I'm not gonna lie. There's so much traffic, bro. I ain't trying to deal with all these traffic. Just about to just drive through New York type shit. Not too crazy. I thought it was still recording, mate. Bro, New York is always busy, bro. This place never sleeps. Fuck. Dominicans speak fast as hell. Alright. PD. Piggies. Arrest me, officer. Officer, arrest me, please. That's gay, mate. I gotta go left. Oops. No. Did I go the wrong way? Both ya fuck you honking at. Better not be honking at me. What? Yes. I did. The one that you sent me? Oh. Huh? Oh, I gotta make a U-turn? Uh-oh. Huh? What happened? Cannot hear you. Titties? Oh. Some big ass yams. Oh yeah. I gotta go all the way back that way, bro. I said, you're a bullshit. Huh? It's your bullshit, your fault. Shh, cállate. I'm gonna crash. Go, nigga. One, two, three, stop, look to your left, right, up, down, go. Oh shit! Don't kill me, Mac. Simple as that. Tell you what I'm saying. Now when I'm in the beam ski, you be quiet, ski. Okay? Thank you, ski. Yes, sir.
Shut up.
Nigga. Nigga balls. Oh.
Gay ass nigga, shut up, shut up.
Speed bump, clap bump. Whoa, whoa, what the fuck? Why it sound like that? Pew, 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 pew. Oh. Gay! And here's another one. Man. Oh. Hey, truck boy. Another one? What DJ Cali say? Another one. Oh yeah. I found the method. That was the method right there. Yum. I'm going the right way, right? This way? I think so. Fuck. God damn. Yeah, nigga, go around me, fucking stupid ass. You see me going on the damn bumps and you're up my ass. Fucking. Oh, they Chinatown? Ugh. God damn, bro. Whoa. Oh my god. Fucking craters. Yep, go around me. You can go damage your piece of shit, but my piece of shit ain't getting damaged. Bitch ass nigga. You hear that? You know what would be funny? You dress up as a cop and walk through Chinatown. Yeah, everybody would run. Just dress up as a cop and just walk through Chinatown, bro. This shit would be funny as hell. Everybody and their mama would be running. Yeah. Oh my god. That's a nice view over there too. How do we get down here though?
I have no idea.
Where's it at?
Like where those people are?
Bruh. Let me see.
I think.
I'm gonna go look. I'm gonna go peep. I'm gonna go take a quick peep. Let's go see. So it turns out that little spot that I always wanted to go take videos of my car, there's a bunch of Karens down there, so I wasn't able to go. So we're going to another spot. We are going to another spot. Let me get my mic out. I said check mic. Is this bus lane? Bike lane. What is that? Oh, yes, it's the M. Pull up, my boy, please. Should I wait?
Bus lane?
Fuck the bus. Where's that bus coming? I'm waiting. Come on, boy. Pull up. I'm waiting for you. Nope. Oh, this is the guy. I follow him on Instagram. Is that 2 lanes?
No,
Oh shit. Fuck. I follow this guy on Instagram, bruh.
M2?
Yes. I think I follow him on Instagram.
He said, fuck, only yellow.
Yo, I think I follow you on Instagram. Yeah.
What's up, buddy?
What up? Pave. She look nice. I fuck with the plate too.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
It's nice too.
I just took my wrap off.
Oh, what color was it?
It was Austin yellow.
Austin yellow?
Yeah.
Thanks, Jerry. It's nice.
Thank you.
Are you out here in Queens or are you from the city?
From Jersey.
Jersey?
Yeah.
Headed that way.
Yeah. I'm about to go to Times Square right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right. Safety, bro.
Get you.
M2. M2. Oh, this is Times Square, is it? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. M2, should I get M2E? I want to get M2E or Crank Hub. Yeah. I saw somebody in Cali has a Crank Hub, but theirs is spelled CRNKHUB. Crank Hub. Primark, we out? Get some cheap shit. I think this is Brooklyn Gray. Pretty sure. Or is it either Brooklyn Gray or Nardo Gray? Oh yeah, Gramps. Take your time, my boy. W Gramps, chat. I just love Beamers, bro. Low-key, the M2s are fire. Oh, he said he's headed to Jersey. So there's a guy that want to take pictures of my car. He took pictures of this guy under the bridge. You know that bridge where the park is? Yeah. Yeah. New York is such a vibe though. Like those little places, you could just come here and just chill, have a nice little dinner or lunch. Up there would have been fire to watch a World Cup too. Look, see they have all the flags and everything up there. I bet it was a watch party somewhere over here. I can't wait to install the new mods, bro. The car is gonna sound crazy. So I was watching a video of Nick, right? He got the exhaust. He got. Huh? No. From Valtronic. In general, he got exhaust, intakes, and he didn't have a tune. And he didn't have his crank up done yet either. But he got it eventually. So I'm kind of scared. I'm not.
Who's putting in your stuff?
I'm not sure yet. Either that J King's guy or my boy.
Who?
The J Kings. You know that J? Yeah, J Kings. Where everybody go get tuned at. So I hit him up. He said he'll do it for like I think 580. And my boy said he'll do.
While you're there, ask him if the crank pump is done.
Yeah, I asked him. He said he's gonna check. He said where? He's gonna use. He's gonna use the what's it called? There's a little camera. He's gonna use it to check.
You asked him or he said?
I asked him. He said they could use the camera to check.
If it is done, I wonder if he could tell like when it was done.
I don't think so. I'm not sure. I mean, I don't know. I want to take some videos here or like on the side. But yeah, I can't wait to install those mods. Right now we're going to the vessel to go flick up and get some IG Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and the Tickety Talk. I'll be posting some fire content on everything. Trying to make it. Oh shit, that look fire. Wait, can people still go up there or no?
Or they put on a netting inside.
Ah. Well, I went to a car show here. That time I didn't even I wasn't even into cars back then. It was when I just came to the US and I was living with my my aunt. Yeah, there was a car show here and we came. They had all kind of cars in there. The only car that was in there that I knew was a Supra and a Lamborghini. That's the only car I knew. That's when the Supra just came out. The MK something. Left, right, over there. That's where I met Noah. He was standing in the back of the truck. Now, if you're watching this, that's where I met you. Oh, this is a one-way? Oh, shoot. I thought this was two-way. That's why I came all the way over here. I wasn't peeping. Listen here, man. I'm not from New York. I want to go over. Yep. Vehicle must yield to all pedestrians. Okay, I'm yielding. Don't worry. Right here's good, right? Think. Or do I go up there so I get the background?
You can go up there and park on the left.
Alright. Oh, it's blocked.
Hmm?
They blocked the road.
You did.
Right here. Talk taxis. God damn. Yo, the white looks so fucking good in the daytime and at night. But I can't wait to get a front lip. Front lip is just gonna change the whole look of this car so much. But yeah, we out here. We in New York. Oh shit. She looks so good. Check the fitment. Fitment. Fitment and some HREs. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Wait, what is homie doing, bro? Yeah, we out here in New York with the M3 skis. Right, Abin? Hello. New York is such a vibe, chat. Right now, we're about to go get some eats. Huh? Restaurant? I mean, if we go find parking, cause I'm not trying.
Go back to Jersey.
You wanna go to that place that we said we were gonna go? Or are they about to close?
Close at 8. You want to get there in time.
No? Which other place do you think then? El Chingon? Yeah? Is it good? Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, that place is good too. Where is that, in Elizabeth? I'm down to go there too. Would you, what time is it? I don't wanna wait till I get dark. Say we could go to the Louis V building another time. Alright, chat. I think I'm end the video off right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more mods. I promise more mods is coming this week. Promise. So yeah, chat. More mods is coming for you.
Real shit, nigga.